But then there's a different method, and if you want to write longer DAX and more, I'd say more complex DAX in a way, there's a different way to do this, and I'll change this right away. First off, I'm going to delete this guy. I'm going to delete this guy here, and we'll have to write this by ourselves from scratch. So same thing we just did now. Create a new table here, and in this case here, we're going to be using two um, new DAX functions. So we have generate. We're going to be using generate. We're going to be using a row function. I can expand this. So we're going to be using this here now. We generate on a row. And let's see how this works. So I'm going to name this guy my date table also. There. So the first thing here is to create a variable. And we'll create a variable using name our variable base calendar. So all other functions will reference this variable here. Base calendar is going to be, can you guess? Yeah, calendar with our minimum date, our data set. That's this guy here. And the maximum date from our date table also. That's it. Close the bracket, and this is good to go. So our next step now is a quick trick to learn how to navigate writing down this way is when you want to go down to a new row, you have to just press shift and enter. Press shift and enter. Now say I want to return some rows. But what rows? So I'll specify them individually. Now that I do that, I have to generate them first. So yes, this brings me to the first of the functions I wrote down here. That's generate. So you can see how this works here. Generate. You can see generate accepts two parameters there. Takes two tables basically, table 1 and table 2. And the second table expression is evaluated for each row in the first table. For our first table here, you can guess one used to be the base calendar we just created. And then our second table is going to be a series of DAX functions basically. For our second table now. So the first thing is here, I want to create a variable for my date. I'll say my date is to mind you, calendar auto for calendar creates a date table with just one column. That's the date column there. And then this is what we're referencing here. That date column that it creates. So you have this. And then you can create one for year. I'll say year is going to be the syntax we learned earlier. But then I'm going to reference the variable this time instead of calling the date column itself. Seeing as we've passed the date column into the my date variable. So I'll say my date, shift enter. So I have here, now I want a month number. Number is my date, shift enter. Month year, month number, a month name. It's going to be format. Format my date as a full month name. I also have here month. Here is going to be format also. Format my date as what? As a full month and as a whole year. I have just one more, and that's day. Day is going to be day of my dates. And this is how the variables we need to create for our second table, for our other columns basically. So the next thing we need to do here is to return them as rows, basically. Return them as rows. So we'd say here, return row, and then row takes second function here as row. Row takes also some parameters. You have to signify a name and an expression. Signify a name, expression. So in our case now, name is going to be what we want to name the column. So I'd say for year, we want our year columns to be named year. And then mind you, it has to be in double quotes. And then what's the expression? Expression is the variable we created here as year. I'd say year. And you can see how very quickly DAX gives you a different formatting for variables. You can see XY here. So I know this is what I want here. So that's the first one. Now I want the month number. So that's a column for month number now. You have to spell or signify what you want the column to be named. In our case, we want it to be named month number. I'm going to put this in double quotes also. So I have number. You can specify an expression. Month number takes also this variable created here for month number. So I'll say month number. You can see it already showing here. And I select this. Next thing, oh, I just clicked enter. So that's a mistake now. So I have to go back. You can't click enter until you're done writing the formula. Mind you. So just shift enter. Supposed to enter. So next year I'm going to create a month name. So I'll name this month name. And I'll select the month name that we have here also. Okay, we're making progress. The next one here is going to be month year. Yeah, that's going to be month year also. Just showing already. And the last one is going to be day. Day is going to be variable we created. Yeah, and that's all we need to. That's all the columns we need to create, basically. So I can close my row function here, come down and close the entire DAX. That's the generator. So this guy is from here, from my dates to day to become our second table. The handful to try to take in first try, but then if you go over it multiple times, you start getting the hang of it. And then this is going to be our entire function here. So I click enter now, and just below here you can see what pops up. You can see that we have year, month number, month name, month year, and day, just as we had for our first series here. So one more thing you want to do before you're done with this is you want to mark this table as a date table also, just like we did earlier. So I come down here to these three ellipses down here. I see mark as date table. And I select date. And see how this guy changes from this calendar icon to this guy here. And you can use this to build your report. And then this brings me to the end of this DAX series on how to create date tables. I hope you've been able to learn from this. Thank you very much for listening, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content just like this.